Rain pours outside as thunder rumbles through the city. Inside, a home office glows with screens and gadgets. A tech enthusiast types, surrounded by devices needing power. Suddenly, a flash lightning strikes nearby. The room flickers. Surge threats loom over expensive equipment. The user glances at tangled cords and overloaded outlets. Frustration rises. Too many devices, not enough safe charging. He remembers his new Alestor surge protector power strip, pulls it from the box, sleek, black, and sturdy. 12 AC outlets, 4 USB ports, including fast USB-C. Mounting holes promise easy wall installation for tidy cable management. He connects monitors, laptop speakers, and phone chargers. Each plug fits perfectly. Even bulky adapters have room. Smart USB ports detect devices, delivering optimal charging speed. The heavy-duty 6 feet cord reaches every corner of the desk. A surge indicator glows. 2,700 joules of protection stand guard. Lightning strikes again, but the power strip absorbs the energy. TVS, MOV, and GDT circuits work together instantly. No flicker, no damaged devices remain safe and powered. The shell stays cool, fire-resistant up to 1,382 degrees Fahrenheit. He checks the overload switch. Everything runs smoothly. USB-C port charges his tablet at top speed. No more waiting. No more searching for outlets. Work flows uninterrupted. Creativity unleashed. He mounts the strip, cables organized, desk clutter-free. A sense of security fills the room. Technology protected. Alestor's ETL certification and warranty offer peace of mind. He smiles, ready for anything, even the next storm. Protect your workspace. Power up with Alestor today. Click now. Charge smarter, safer, and faster. Product details and link are given in the description.